Good morning, everybody. Jeff Casmer here with another video from Chicago. It is a beautiful Sunday morning on Memorial Day weekend here in the States, and I wanted to do a quick video as I'm up before my day gets going. And I want to do a little bit of a training here. So let me go over some of the particulars. I've been making money online for 25 years. I've been a trader for almost 6 years now, and I am part of a wonderful team where we will teach you a strategy called Smart Money, where you can learn how to trade and ride along the coattails of the banks, okay? So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Comments in the boxes below. And if you're interested in some free training that our team offers on a weekly basis, just reach me on Facebook right here. There's my big old face, and we'll get you going, okay? So today's video is, we have a team of over 5,500 traders, and we have a specific step-by-step training program, which includes folks practicing on demo and doing a trade journal to learn our strategy, right? Because one of the things about trading is you don't trade on a live account when you're learning a strategy, right? That's just kind of crazy, right? That you're just going to blow money. So we have you practice on a demo account first until you master the strategy. So a student I was working with submitted his MT4 from this past week, and I kind of want to educate him as well as everybody who's watching this video on what he did right, what he did wrong, okay? So let me kind of move my face over here and let me pull this up. Okay, boom. Okay, so here's what we got. Now this is a demo account, okay? Full disclosure, demo account. This is not real money. He is practicing, okay? Now, he's starting with a $100,000 account, all right? Now, what we normally teach people to do is when they're practicing on demo to make it real, like it's their real money, all right? But this it will be going for a funded account, and so that's why he is starting with $100,000. So, for example, if you're going on a live account and you're going to start with $1,000, then you want to practice on demo with $1,000, okay? It's just a mindset issue, okay? Because it's not real enough for you and you're playing with figures that are just kind of fun. But this particular person is going for a funded account, and so he submitted this from this particular week, okay? Now, there's just a couple things that I want to kind of educate him as well as everybody else on, okay? It's okay to lose trades because everybody loses trades. I lose trades. However, okay, here are the couple things that I want to point out real carefully, all right? So now this is from May 24th, okay, which is Wednesday of last week. So this, whoops, sorry about that. Let me do that again. My bad. Oh, now I don't even hitting the wrong button. There we go. Sorry about that. So this is from the 24th, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 trades. Let that sink in. If I had my morning Mountain Dew, I'd be taking a sip. Okay, that's the first problem. All right? Why would you be taking so many trades? Now, let's look at the times here, okay? 17:20, 17:23. So he took this trade, then took the next one 3 minutes later, then the next one 9 minutes later, then the next one 14 minutes later, 4 minutes later, 33 minutes later, sorry, okay? About a half hour later, another half hour later. This one was at least about an hour and a half. Then this was 1 minute later. So we got into an AUD and an AUD CAD, AUD JPY 1 minute later. Then a couple hours went by, took another one, took another one, okay, 15 minutes later. All right, so that's the first thing. That's called overtrading. All right, you should not be taking 12 trades in one day. Did I count that right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 trades. Okay? Now, as you can see, red is losing, blue is winning. So, out of those 12 trades on the 24th, he lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, he lost 7 trades and won 5 trades. These bottom 3 are from the 25th, okay? So What's wrong with this picture? Well, the first picture is, besides too many trades, okay, is even on a $100,000 account, we always teach 2% or less in every trade, all right? 2% or less for every trade. So when you're in, and again, I can't, unless I see the charts, there's no way I can tell, how many of these trades he was in as he's in other trades. But I guarantee you he didn't lower his risk. Guarantee it. So if we teach you to be in 2% or less in every trade, okay, let's just say 4, 5, 6 of these trades are going on at the same time. Is he risking less than 2%? Is he risking more than 2% of his account total in the number of trades that he's in? Of course he is. There's no question that he is. I don't have to be a math major to figure that out, okay? So over trading by the number of trades and risking more than he should be risking, okay? So that's a double whammy, all right? And again, let's take out the next day, all right? So this is an important lesson for all of you. Even if you are practicing on demo, you have to have the mindset that it's a live account. So for example, let's say he's in 3 trades, all right? So let's just say he took these first 3 trades and that's his day. Because what we teach in our community is 2 to 4 setups a week, you should be good to go. That's it. That's it. Now, where some folks will say, well, you're just practicing on demo, you're practicing on demo. And to a degree, that's correct. However, what happens when he's in a live account and he's used to practicing and getting in lots of trades? Okay, it's a natural progression that he might risk, first of all, more than 2% of his account with the number of trades that he's in, all right? And it's habitual. It's training the mind that it's sensing he can be in 7, 8 trades and all the movement and the excitement, right, of the trade. Oh, look at that. That's going up. Oh, my God. No, don't go down, okay? Instead of taking proper setups. So, again, we teach 2 strategies in our community, the ATH, or the Quick Turn 62, as well as Smart Money or Smartmonics. So, again, I don't know which particular strategy he's focused on here, okay? But he's risking too much, and he's in too many trades. It does not matter if you're on demo. Let me repeat this. It does not matter if you're on demo, all right? Now, let's take out these last 3 trades on the 25th, all right? Now, you see, if you include those 3 trades, his profit was $165. Again, we're on demo, okay? I'm just saying this for compliance reasons, okay? Take out those 3 trades, right? 500, about $1,000, okay? So that means he's in the hole after the 24th, about $840. And he was able to, on the next day, get it to where he's up 164. So that's quite a losing day. But if you just take these first 3 trades and be done for the day, right? Done, he's up about $300. Again, we're on demo money. We're practicing, right? So we also teach that you should be, what is your goal for the week? A percentage goal. It's not necessarily about winning trades. It's about account growth. Is your growth 2%, 4%, 6%, whatever it is? Once you've hit that goal, all right, and I can't, I'm not sure how much 500, maybe this is, I don't know, 0.5%, whatever the case may be as far as up. I don't know. Once you've hit your goal for the week, you should stop trading. This is where greed gets in the way. So let's say he hits these first 6 trades, okay? And let's just say they're all winning trades, okay? You should be done for the week. Loss, win, loss, loss, win, loss. It's almost like he's taking trades because he's got to make up for the last 2 losses. See this 723? And he lost it here. 800, and he got most of it back here, right? So he's kind of flip-flopping. He's trying to take the next trade to get a winning trade, right? So sometimes there are days where maybe you don't have that account growth. Just maybe you don't. Okay? Maybe you lose a little bit. Then you call it a day and wait for the next day. Okay? But clearly, besides the number of trades and what he's risking total in the trades that he's in for that day, he's risking too much of his account. Okay? And the other thing that I would probably challenge him on, and he'll watch this video, is probably some of these were not good trades based on the strategy he's using. Okay? So, this is my advice, okay, to everybody. 1, don't overtrade. 2, you must have a percentage growth goal for the week. If you hit it, you're done. Period. You're done. Work on some mindset, okay? You want to practice on demo a little bit? Fine. But your main account, you should be done. All right? You don't want to be chasing your tail. All right? And then, especially in our community, I'd be double checking his chart markups. That's the beauty of our community, right? You can come up with a chart and you can post in our community and get feedback. Hey, I like that. I don't like that. Here's why you shouldn't take this, blah, 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 right? But that seems to me a little bit chasing your tail. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And of course, it's amazing that those 3 trades the next day got him to be profitable. But honestly, some of these are probably bad trades, and that's okay, right? Because he's learning. That's okay, and it's on demo, right? But you have to have the right mindset and the right approach. And to take that many trades, even practicing, is not the right approach. You practice how you're going to actually trade a real account. If he traded a real account, he's getting nowhere fast, and after that day, he's done. So, and he's probably lost big, right? 800 or whatever it is. So then that kind of forces him, okay, I got to get back into trading. I'm down. I got to get this win. I got to get this win. Okay? So you understand that mindset's important. A trade plan is important. A percent growth is important. Okay? Setting a goal. And risk management. You want to be a successful trader? You've got to follow those principles. Okay? That's it. I'm done for today. Like the video, thumbs up. Don't like the video, thumbs down. Subscribe. The bell's somewhere. If you got feedback, you got questions, perfect. And of course, really quick, if you want some access to free training, find me on Facebook, and we'll get you hooked up. Okay? Have a great day, everybody.